Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we have a overflow reservoir tank that we're going to show you how to remove. First thing we're going to do is unscrew the fill top. And that comes with the hose that goes down in the bottom, which is where the radiator gets the suction vacuum to suction out the coolant. Set that aside. So it just is a push down, mounts on the battery tray. So I'm going to put my hand inside the fill, just tilt it back and forth. Now I can remove it. This is an easy way to make sure you fill it to the proper level also. You get minimal when the car is cold and max when the car is hot. So here to in here is a good location when the car is not running. So to install, we just reverse that procedure. I fit it down and then line that guide up with the indent on the overflow tank and push it down in. And it's mounted. If you ever need this part or any other parts, go to 1aauto.com and check out what we have for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.